I'm Jack Acker, I'm a retard, this is my bike. The frame is a specialised yellow one, and it's yellow and it's got writing on it in Mexican down the side. The bars are ridiculous and they're scratched. Pro tip, do a bar in there so you don't get dirt in your fork. These are my Marzocchi bomber forks, as seen by the label. They are onto a pair of blue Bergtech hubs with Envy rims and Swalby tabletop tyres. These are my custom bits, you can buy them on our store, as well as the t-shirts which we're all wearing. The pedals, the black ones, and they got spit on them. Did you film that? I'd like to support all the Jackie Cats for supporting me and the shed scene throughout my career.